Ever wondered how to create captivating, professional-grade videos without breaking the bank or spending countless hours learning complex software? The answer lies in a platform called inVideo. inVideo is a revolutionary online video editing platform that is transforming the way we create and share digital stories. With its intuitive interface and extensive features, inVideo makes video editing accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. What makes inVideo stand out? Well, it starts with its extensive library of pre-made templates. Whether you're crafting a promotional video, a social media post, or a documentary, inVideo has a template that can serve as your starting point. All templates are fully customizable, allowing you to inject your own creativity and brand identity into your videos. But inVideo isn't all about templates. It also boasts a robust video editing suite. Trim your clips with precision, add stylish transitions, overlay text, and incorporate music. The platform supports a variety of formats, so whether you're editing a quick clip for Instagram or a full-length feature for YouTube, inVideo has you covered. Another standout feature is inVideo's text-to-video capability. Simply type in your script or upload a piece of text, and inVideo will transform it into a visually stunning video. It's a game changer for content creators who want to repurpose blog posts, articles, or scripts into engaging video content. inVideo also understands the importance of collaboration in today's digital world. It allows multiple users to work on a single project, making it a perfect tool for team projects and collaborative content creation. inVideo doesn't just help you create videos, it also helps you to optimize them. With its intelligent video rendering, inVideo ensures your videos look and perform their best, no matter where they're viewed. And once you're done, you can export your videos in a variety of formats, ready to be shared with the world. So why not give inVideo a try? It's an all-in-one solution that combines ease of use with a suite of powerful features. It's time to take your video editing to the next level. Remember, the link to inVideo is right there in the video description. So unlock your creative potential and start creating incredible videos with inVideo today.